Obudu, why these people never pay us our money first of all? Tell me.
Abade, they have not paid me. The man, this is making it 2 weeks now. I'll be 1 month. This man promised he will bring money. He will bring money. He will bring money. He will bring money. So it's the same thing.
Which day they go pay us? Now what I want to know be that.
The man is saying he will come today.
Okay.
So if he comes today, that's why I'm sitting. I don't want to work again until he come. Your babe, not your baby that.
For where?
Your girlfriend.
My girlfriend. Hey. What did she find for here? And I tell her I be banker. I tell her for banker they work. Huh? This girl must not see me here.
You told her you are a banker.
If she come here, I know they here.
This man!
The lady that is coming is Abade's girlfriend.
You know you can be prosecuted for that!
My girlfriend is right for me.
Good afternoon, Office.
Hey, afternoon.
Yes, I'm so sorry that my dad has not been able to come and attend to you guys. I'm here to pay you, okay?
Are you Chief's daughter?
Yes, I'm Chief's daughter.
Yes?
And my dad said you guys are 3 workers. I'm seeing just 2 people. Where's the third
person?
person?
The third guy is, where did he go to serve?
Maybe I've already went to school.
Okay, Zaran.
My dad already said it, that he's not a serious worker. So don't worry, I'll just pay you 2 that are here.
Hey! I hear me, by me. Ha! Apostle will hear of this.
You want to please others and displease us and displease yourself.
Welcome to school too.
And they never leave. They have left you behind. Who will want please? The people where you please, wait there.
Hey!
Photo, not be juju be that.
Obudu.
Hello viewers, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Please, I want you to comment and also to subscribe to this very YouTube channel so that we can bring you more. Thank you. Help us to tell your friends to share and like the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. School 2, we love you.